Hello everyone. Let's not waste our time. Let's go and start our video for today. Top 9 Best Retail Affiliate Programs. Why is affiliate marketing the best to make money online? Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to monetize your blog, especially when you don't sell products or services. Joining an affiliate program can get you exclusive access to new content and special deals for your audience, all while earning you more money. Number 1. Amazon Associates. Commission, 1 to 10% depending on the product category. Amazon Associates pays commissions between 1% and 10%, depending on the category the product purchased falls under. The most valuable items to promote are clothes and luxury beauty products, both of which can earn you a 10% cut on the price. One of the main advantages of doing affiliate marketing with Amazon is that people already know the company and love to shop there, so it's not a hard sell. The company has very high conversion rates, especially around the holidays. And because the product selection is so vast, it fits most kinds of businesses. Number 2. eBay Partner Network. Commission, 50 to 70% of auction fees, depending on the product category. With over 1 billion listings from a wide range of product categories, eBay's affiliate program shares a lot of the same advantages as Amazon's. Well-known, high conversion rates, and a diverse selection of products. The eBay Partner Network pays a commission of 50% to 70% of auction fees, not the sale price. For each item sold, eBay gets a cut by charging the seller an auction fee. You then earn a percentage of the revenue eBay earns from that purchase, based on the product category. Number 3. Target. Commission, 1 to 8%, depending on the product category and sales volume. Target's affiliate program operates on a volume-based commission structure, meaning that your commission increases as the number of items purchased increases. Sadly, a product category that does not benefit from this model is the health and beauty products. The commission on this category caps at 1%, regardless of volume. It's also critical to note, most people tend to prefer buying Target products in person, rather than online, so this could have an impact on your returns. Number 4. Hammacher Schlemmer. Commission, 8% on any sale. They offer 8% commission on any product you're able to sell through your own website or blog. While 8% might not sound like a lot, consider some of the higher-priced items they sell, including a Muhammad Ali autographed photo collage for $5,000, or the full immersion professional racer simulator for $65,000. Additionally, this affiliate program could be a good idea for an e-commerce business interested in expanding their offerings. Hammacher Schlemmer provides tools, including password-protected online e-reports, and content to help your online store succeed. I hope you're learning a lot. Kindly like, subscribe and share it to everyone. Want to know more about affiliates? Get your slot now. Just copy and paste this link below onto your internet browser. I am excited to see you there. Let's continue. Number 5. Spocket. Commission, 20% per bronze subscriber, 25% per silver subscriber, 30% per gold subscriber, up to $445.50 per subscriber. Spocket, a dropshipping supplier, wholesaler, and distributor of high-quality United States and European products, enables entrepreneurs to choose products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers around the world. They also offer an incredibly impressive affiliate program. You can make up to $450 for each customer you find for Spocket, and you'll continue to collect commission off your referral Spocket account as long as they remain a customer. Their program will also provide you with the tools and resources you need to successfully promote their business. If your website visitors are entrepreneurs or e-commerce businesses, this is a good affiliate program to explore. Number 6. Murad. Commission, 11%. Howard Murad, MD, has devoted his life to the science of skincare, and is one of the country's top skincare authorities. After treating individuals with various skin concerns, he began developing targeted formulas to treat skin conditions. Today, Murad is one of the leading companies in skincare products, and is popular for its treatments for acne, anti-aging, cellulite, age spot treatments, and more. Murad's affiliate program pays 11% in commissions. With an average order size of $90, affiliates can expect to earn close to $10 per referral. You are provided with dynamic banners and text links to promote Murad products. The company has ongoing promotions, including free shipping and free products, to help you drive more sales. Number 7. Yves Rocher. Commission, 15%. Yves Rocher offers a wide selection of botanical beauty products, including skin and body care, makeup, and fragrances. Additionally, they offer superior customer experience. For instance, they offer a free gift with any purchase. Yves Rocher's affiliate program offers a generous 15% commission rate on all sales, which is a relatively high rate in the retail B2C space. Like most programs, affiliates get access to promotional banners and other creative assets to use on their sites and social media accounts. Number 8. Scentbird. Born out of frustration with expensive perfume bottles collecting dust on a dresser or cabinet, Scentbird offers a delivery subscription service that gives you access to a 30-day supply of over 450 top designer fragrances. The subscription service lets you date fragrances before committing to marrying them. Affiliates earn $14 for every subscription sales generated through their link, and gives access to links and banners, fresh blog content, seasonal ads, and coupon codes to help them perform to the best of their abilities. And, number 9. BH Cosmetics. Commission, 8%. BH Cosmetics affiliates receive an 8% commission on purchases made within 60 days of the user's visit. The site has an average order value of $38 and an on-site conversion rate of 6.46%. As an affiliate, you'll get exclusive access to coupons and banners you can use on your website, blog, or emails. You'll also receive monthly affiliate newsletters. Plus, their dedicated in-house affiliate team runs monthly incentives and affiliate contests to encourage you to perform at your best. And, that's it. Thank you so much for finishing up until the end of the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share it to everyone. Want to know more about affiliates? Get your slot now. Just copy and paste this link below onto your internet browser. I am excited to see you there. See you on our next video.